Yeah, I think one of the biggest, besides the free transactions, another reason
Mm-hmm.
why we chose EOS.io for all the developers maybe in the audience here is that the smart contracts, the code that you use,
Mm-hmm.
is in a language that's already very well known, C++.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to build smart contracts on Ethereum, you need to learn a completely new language called Solidity. And for developers to adopt that, it's a bigger barrier to entry. There's already thousands of developers that can program in C++, and that we thought was important. What we tried to bring value to the market right now is,
Mm-hmm.
one, we build for real world applications. We don't build for just the blockchain users already. We try and hide the
Mm-hmm.
blockchain as much as possible because we want to focus on what the value to the user is. So,
Mm-hmm.
for another analogy, it's like if I'm selling you a house,
Mm-hmm.
I don't focus on the plumbing, right? I focus on the great entryway, the great light that you have, what your family is going to be like growing in this place, what great utility you're going to get out of that backyard. It might have great plumbing, and
Mm-hmm.
plumbing is definitely important, right? But
Yes.
you don't sell a house saying, "Oh, you got copper plumbing and it's great, and this is exactly why you're going to do it." And what we see in the market a lot is people selling blockchain applications, and all they talk about is the blockchain. The
Mm-hmm.
blockchain is 10% of the application, right? It allows you to do a lot of cool stuff to provide transparency, traceability, real-time auditing, um, um, cheap transactions, trust between strangers. But that's not the end value. The end
Mm-hmm.
value is, cool, how do I own a NBA highlight?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you're selling. So what we try to do is we're very user-centric. We're like, how is a user going to get value out of this? You don't sell the internet in your website by explaining what TCP/IP is, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the different protocols behind the internet.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing. We don't concentrate on the plumbing. We concentrate on how great it is for that user to live in the house if they do end up buying it. So that's one value we bring. We're very much real world focused and user focused. And I will also mention we've made a great effort to incorporate the community and to provide great documentation for developers to get started in this. The amount of growth that
Mm-hmm.
blockchain is going to have in the next 5 years is immense, and the amount of opportunity it's going to provide
Mm-hmm.
is immense. But you need to have the training and the developer resources available.